Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet clean out / try on challenge. And what that means is I'm going to be trying on every single item in my closet in hopes of slimming it down, donating some, listing some on Poshmark. That will be linked down below. And I also thought it would just be a really fun video to make. So I'm also going to step it up a notch and say I cannot repeat a shirt or bottom, so we may not try on everything because I don't think I have a perfect pair, but I will not be repeating anything, and I think this video is going to be a blast. So if you love fashion, beauty, lifestyle, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up, and let's just dive right in. So I have 3 different pairs of white denim jeans. These are the Nine West Gramercy skinny ankle. Love these jeans. You can find them at Sam's or Costco for a really affordable price. Then I have this paired with my blue Sailboats Lilly Pulitzer blouse. I love this outfit. It's super preppy, super fun for summer, and I loved wearing this to work, so definitely be keeping this as well. Office, this was always a staple for me, an Express Portofino shirt. Always pair it with a skinny or straight leg pant. These are the Pont pants from White House Black Market. This is one of those items where I purchased it for $20 and I ended up wearing it like 50 times. And I absolutely love it. It's just this gray, black, white neutral print.
Do you feel the sun? Violet skies. Baby, hear the sound, the way we move in the desert. See the moon through the humid air. Feel the groove deep in your blood, yeah. Yellow sunshine, baby, we don't care. All you need, you get for free if you stick with me. Feel the blended heat. It's just a little liberty.
I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. Some people say money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass.
Hey guys, thanks for making it to the very end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I have a couple disclaimers. One, I filmed this video over the course of several months because it took so long to try on everything. This was actually not everything in my closet because, like I said, I wanted a different top and bottom combination. I ended up donating 5 really big bags, really big garbage bags to Goodwill. With some clothes that I don't really wear anymore, clothes that didn't fit me right, etc. I also added a lot of clothes to my Poshmark closet, so be sure to check that out. It's linked in the description box. I hope you guys will subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I belong to you.